Good morning friends, welcome to Examiners 365. In this video, we will discuss about the important current affairs on 10th January 2022. Let's start. World Hindi Day is observed on January 10. Vishwa Hindi Divas commemorates the anniversary of the first World Hindi Conference held in Nagpur on January 10, 1975. The World Hindi Day was celebrated for the first time on 10 January 2006 by former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. Ex-RBI Governor Urjit Patel has been appointed as Vice President of which bank? Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank or AIIB. He will succeed outgoing Vice President of DJ Pandian. This is Urjit Patel. The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB is a multilateral development bank that aims to improve economic and social outcomes in Asia. The bank has founded on 16th January 2016. Where is the headquarters of AIIB? Beijing, China. Who is the president of AIIB? Jin Lukin. The bank currently has 104 members. India is a founding member of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank with the second highest voting share after China. Ramesh Babu passed away recently. He was an actor. Ramesh Babu was an Indian actor and film producer who was known for his work in Telugu cinema. In which country the new coronavirus variant Deltatron has discovered? The answer is Cyprus. The new variant has a similar genetic background to the Delta variant as well as some of the mutations from Omicron. Cyprus is an island country in the eastern Mediterranean Sea south of the Anatolian Peninsula. Where is the capital of Cyprus? Nicosia. The president is Nikos Anastasiadis and the currency of Cyprus is euro. Which of the following district in Assam has won Scotch Award? The answer is Kachar district. A mission to combat malnourishment among children aged 6 months to 5 years has earned the Scotch Award for Southern Assam's Kachar district. Instituted in 2003, Scotch Award recognizes people, projects and institutions that go the extra mile to make India a better nation. Where is the capital of Assam? Dispur. Who is the CM of Assam? Himanta Biswa Sarma. And the governor is Jagdish Mukti. There are two UNESCO National World Heritage Sites in Assam, Kaziranga and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Basavalinga Hiremath passed away recently. He was a folk artist. He was a senior theatre personality, actor, singer, director and folklore expert. The Karnataka government had honored him with the Karnataka Rajyotsava Award for his lifetime achievement in the field of folk theatre. Veer Bal Divas to be observed on December 26 as a tribute to Guru Gobind Singh's sons. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that December 26, starting this year, will be observed as Veer Bal Divas as a tribute to the 10th Sikh Guru Gobind Singh's 4 sons who were executed by the Mughals. Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Sikh Guru, a spiritual master, warrior, poet, and a philosopher. Let's talk about Adelaide International Tennis Tournament that was held in Australia from January 3rd to January 9. We will check the titles and winners of the same. Who has won men's single title? Gael Monfils. He is a French tennis player. Ashley Barty from Australia won women's single title. Rohan Bopanna and Ramkumar Ramanathan from India have won men's double title. And what about women's double title? Ashley Barty and Storm Sanders from Australia have won women's double title. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Also, to get more current affairs videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.